These are the materials that we will use in making artificial blood. Beaker, stirrer, scissor, marker, dyes, tape, tissue, coffee, yarn, SCICAL, ruler, protractor, measuring tape, brush, balloon, dropper. Procedures for making fake blood. First, fill the beaker with 500 milliliters of water. Next, add the coffee, food coloring, and red dyes. Then mix it until it looks like real blood. Droplets based on our observations. Droplets showed specific stain elements and spines. It has larger and smaller droplets. Smaller droplets indicate a high velocity, like a gunshot, while larger droplets indicate a lower velocity impact or force. The tail of the blood droplets indicates the direction. From the point of origin of the blood, the spread of blood droplets at a crime scene can help investigators understand the sequence of events. Observing the trail bloodstains, the shape and position of them. Bloodstains indicate the person or object's movement, while the size and shape indicate the speed of movement. The pattern and amount of blood also indicate the type of injury causing the bleeding. Trails indicate movement or directionality, helping investigators reconstruct the sequence of events at a crime scene. Our observation of pool bloodstains indicates the amount of blood loss, which could be due to a serious injury or a violent act. The size, shape, and pattern of the pool bloodstain provide information about the nature of the incident. The direction of the blood flow shows what type of weapon was used, or the number of blows delivered. In addition, we also observed that the blood has no spines compared to other blood patterns. By observing low-velocity blood stains, these stains are usually caused by acts such as dripping or oozing blood. It has larger droplets with a diameter greater than 4 millimeters. These stains are usually found near the source of bleeding and have a more circular shape. They can be caused by injuries such as stabbing. Project Bloodstain in observing high-velocity bloodstain. It has tiny droplets with a diameter of 1 millimeter or less, due to the high-velocity impact. These stains are sprayed over a wide area and form a mist-like appearance. In observing transfer or contact bloodstains from shoe swipes, the pattern, shape, and size vary based on factors like the shoe's contact area, blood amount, and force applied. The pattern indicates the movement and actions of the individual wearing the shoes. If the pattern matches a known shoe or impression, it can help identify a suspect. Observing a transfer or contact bloodstain pattern caused by wiping with shoes occurs when a person with blood on their shoes walks or drags their feet across a surface. Leave a distinct pattern that resembles the sole or tread of the shoe. The pattern shows variations in intensity and direction depending on the angle and pressure applied during the contact, the movement and actions of individuals at a crime scene. It helps to determine the path of travel, identify potential suspects, and provide evidence, linking individuals to specific locations. Part-I parent drop, the droplet from which originates. Satellite spatters, satellite spatters, small drops of blood that break from the parent. Spatter when the blood droplet hits a surface. Spines, the pointed edges of a stain that radiate out from the spatter, can help determine the direction from which the blood traveled. Dropping 1 milliliter of blood from a height of 5 feet onto a rough surface influences its shape and size, resulting in elongated spatters, distorted edges, and irregularities. The rough surface also causes splattering and satellite spatters, providing information about the impact force and direction. The rough surface absorb or retain blood, causing a spread-out stain. Dropping 1 milliliter of blood from a height of 5 feet onto a smooth surface allows the blood droplet to spread evenly and form a more uniform shape. It also reduces the droplet splattering and splashing. Blood droplets from 5 feet onto clothing create a stain pattern. It has a larger and smaller stain based on impact velocity and angle. The stain spreads and penetrates deeper into the fabric, with smaller droplets surrounding the main droplets. The stain's color changes over time, and its texture depends on the fabric and blood absorbed. This blood spatter have also low velocity spatter. This blood spatter has a length of 3.2 centimeters, while the width is 2.5 centimeters. The angle of his origin is 25. Part B. 20 distinct blood spatter. The blood spatter 1 has a length of 1 centimeter, while the width is 0.7 centimeters. The point of origin is 41.4.